G'day guys, welcome to Steadfast Detailing. So we've got a pretty interesting car here today. This is the BYD Atto 3. It's a brand new car that's come to Australia, but not brand new in that it's actually new. They've been around for a long time and they're known for making battery electric vehicles in China. So this is the color white. It doesn't actually look white when you look at it. It's actually like a very light gray with a bluish tinge to it, but they call it white nonetheless. So with this car, what we're going to be working on is doing our new car paint protection. So we're going to be ceramic coating it, and we are going to be doing the interior coating and also going to be ceramic coating the wheels as well. And we'll go for a quick look around the car, shall we? Yeah, not bad, good size. Now we're coming up to one of the more controversial parts of the car, and it is this thing right here. Build your dreams. Now, love it or hate it, that's gone. We're going to debadge it. We're getting rid of that. And here's the interior. Now this is a very interesting looking interior. Now, something that this car has over other cars is, check this out. I press this button here, boom. It rotates, and this is one of the best cameras that I've ever seen. Check this out. You can get a 3-dimensional view. How sick is that?